Okay, how to open a Karcher. The model number is a K7.650. Actually very easy. Firstly, there's a few screws, but it's just funny screws that looks like that. There's a few. On the bottom's one, there's one, and underneath you have to remove this little volume of the soap. Underneath there's one, and that side, and then just pull it off. There is this stuff in the side here. Just slide them off both sides, and then it will come off easily. What was wrong with this unit? The capacitor. You can look at the capacitor. It's sitting here. The capacitor blew. Look how it looks. It's overheated. It's a 40 microfarad, 400 volts. I'm gonna replace it with this type of. It's a 35 microfarad, very close, but it doesn't fit here. What I did, I'm just gonna cut this open. I cut this plastic off, and then I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna wangle it in there, and I put a cable tie around here, and just gonna seal it maybe with silicone here because there's water here. Okay, and but this looks like a relatively nice machine. Okay, now you know how to open a Karcher K7.650. Okay, you can see I just put some cable tie around there, and to put some silicone there, wait it to dry before you can apply power there, and I'm going to close it.